Pretty much on the expected line, Apple has rolled out a second beta of iOS 18 to developers. The latest beta have added some new features, noticeable tricks and interface changes. Let's have a quick look at the features and changes that are part of iOS 18 beta 2. And the first one is iPhone mirroring. iPhone mirroring is probably the most talked about feature that has been added in iOS 18 beta 2 and macOS Secure beta 2. For those uninitiated, iPhone mirroring lets you control your iPhone using your Mac. Using this pretty handy feature, you can open and use apps, take control of notifications, and even drag and drop files between your iOS and macOS device. You can enable the iPhone mirroring feature by clicking on the new iPhone mirroring icon in your Mac's dock. Thanks to a dedicated iPhone mirroring setting, you can now allow or disallow your Mac from mirroring your iOS device. Head into the Settings app on your iPhone, General, AirPlay and Continuity, and then select iPhone mirroring, and then make the needed changes as per your needs. And then I would like to highlight the RCS toggle. In the latest beta of iOS 18, Apple has included the support for RCS messaging protocol in place of SMS and MMS. As of now, RCS is not functional, and its toggle only shows up for US iPhone users who are using supported carriers such as T-Mobile, Verizon, and AT&T. For those unaware, RCS will enhance the text messaging conversations with Android users with the ability to support higher quality images and videos, read receipts, typing indicators, and tapback. It is titled to be a big deal. Interestingly, the App Store icon on the home screen now supports dark mode. As a result, when the dark mode is enabled, the background color of the App Store becomes pitch black. What's more, now there is a pretty neat wallpaper tinting toggle that you can enable in the automatic mode. This mode makes your wallpaper appear darker. For some app icons, the latest beta has slightly enhanced the contrast of the tint feature by adding more dark areas. The brand new Apple Passports app now shows a plus button in the main view. It can let you quickly add a new item without having to tap on the all icon button. Then I would like to highlight the change that has arrived in the control center. Now the power button in the control center is activated only with a long press rather than just a tap. This neat change ensures that the power button doesn't get triggered accidentally when you are using the control center on your iPhone. From user experience perspective, this is a welcome change. With the introduction of iPadOS 18 Beta 2, Apple has eventually added the support for alternative app marketplaces and downloading apps from websites in the European Union. It's worth pointing out that Apple had already added the support for alternative app marketplaces to iPhone in iOS 17.4, and that's all there is to it. So these are the major features and changes that have come in iOS 18 Beta 2. Now that you have taken a look at these new add-ons, make sure to share your feedback, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iOS tips. Till then, stay safe and I'll